Welcome to this guide on deleting and restoring contacts or system users from the system. In this guide we will cover the following topics: how to delete a contact and how to restore a contact. The system provides the option to delete contacts or system users from the system, while still preserving their historical data. This process ensures that records of their past activities, such as created incident reports or logged work time, are retained even after their profile is removed from the active contact list. To delete a contact, navigate to the Search option within the Contacts module, and on the Contact search page, locate the contact you wish to delete. Once you have found the desired contact in the list, look to the right-hand side of their contact card. If you have the required permissions, you will see options to view, edit, and delete. Clicking the Delete button next to the contact will trigger a pop-up modal window to appear on your screen. This modal will ask you to confirm that you wish to delete the selected contact card. Upon confirmation, the contact card will be removed from the main contact list. However, the contacts record is not permanently erased. Instead, it will be relocated to the Deleted option within the Contacts module. This ensures that all historical data remains intact within the system for reporting and auditing purposes. To restore deleted contacts, first navigate to the Deleted Contacts page within the Contacts module. Once on the Deleted Contacts page, you will see a list of all contacts that have been previously deleted. To find a specific deleted contact, you have a couple of options. Firstly, you can click on the letters displayed at the top of the screen. Clicking a letter will sort the list of deleted contacts alphabetically based on their last name, making it easier to locate a specific individual if you know their last name. Secondly, you can utilize the search bar provided on the page. By entering a name or surname, primary location, email address, or mobile or office number into the search bar, the system will filter the list and display any deleted contacts that match your search criteria. Once you have located the deleted contact you wish to restore, you have two options. You can click the corresponding View button located to the right of the contact's name. This will open the contact card, allowing you to review the details of the deleted contact before restoring them. Alternatively, to directly restore the contact to the active contacts list, click the Restore button, which is also located to the right of the contact's name. Upon clicking the Restore button, a pop-up message will appear on your screen. This message will ask for confirmation that you wish to restore the selected contact. To proceed with the restoration, click the Restore button within the pop-up message. The contact will then be moved back to the active contacts list within the Contacts module and will be accessible as before. You are also able to export the entire deleted contacts list to an Excel spreadsheet by selecting the download arrow in the top right-hand corner of the tile. This export will display all deleted contacts' basic contact information as well as their last login date.